Hey there guys, today we're going to be working on this Honda Fourtrax 300. So when I got this from the person that I'm working on it for, it would not run. It would crank, but it wouldn't start. So I went through the process of, did it have fuel, did it have spark, has fuel, no spark. So I started with the plug is fine, checked the ignition coil, the coil is fine. There's a CDI box, and the person that worked on it before me actually changed it, so that's new. And I narrowed it down to the ignition pulse generator, which is actually inside the crankcase. So today we are going to be taking the left side crankcase cover off, and we're going to be changing the pulse generator. Didn't drain the oil yet, but whatever. Now, the manual says, be careful you don't pull this shift lever out with the case. Technically, you're supposed to take out the starter, but you can take this cover off without taking it off. This piece here, right here, is actually what's bad. So yeah, we'll fix that, change that, clean this surface up, put a new gasket on it, put the pulse generator, put it all back together, start it up. Alrighty, we got it all put back together. We got oil in it and we got fuel. So let's see if she'll start up. choke on. Alrighty, now that we got it running, we're gonna throw her back together as much as we can. I don't have all the front end parts, but throw the back rack on it and the seat and take her for a rip. Let's go take it for a ride.